Oh, shit. I always forget how loud those are. Thank you, CJ. Thanks. Oh, Jesus. I gotta turn that down. Thank you, CJ. Oh god, oh fuck. I'm gonna take my headphones off for a second. It's like getting a jump scare in a video game. Nice jest, buddy. Did you create yourself? Yeah, I have an ass. Is it mine? Well, I own it. Hi. Thank you for the $1. I had my headphones off, so I'm good. I survived. I lived, bitch. I would be very angry at you if you donated. Because the noise... the notification sound's been scaring the shit out of me. Jesus! I jumped off my fucking chair. Fuck me. I'm gonna die. You guys are gonna fucking kill me and I'm just gonna die. This is so mean. I'm gonna merge all of these for the low price of money. I'm not getting angry, I'm just getting fucking scared. Fucking... Well, I sex my knife as canon. I'm about to canonize UX my knife. Yeesh. I'm jumpy. Be fucking nice to me. Hey. Bubbly. Bitch. Hello? Stop. Shut the fuck up. I'm just trying to listen to music. But like, thank you. I will do another one of these. Oh, fuck. I'll do another one of these. At some point. Thank you. Thank you so much. We made over 300% of the stream goal, which is insane. I set a really low one because I didn't think anyone would be donating, but like, oh my god, that's a lot. That's enough to pay my Spotify premium for this. for this month. Thank you so much. Bye.